Hey guys, today's video is about the top 5 best free Shopify themes. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Rodo and here I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any other videos like this where I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. So Shopify provides so many things that you can use in your store to customize it to whatever look that you are looking for in your business. And it's so easy, it's very customizable. And the new Shopify builder makes it much easier for you to just build your store, customize it to the way you like. So you just choose the thing that you like and the feel and look of it, and then you customize it for your business. So this is really good for those people who are just starting out, where you don't want to spend so much money on graphic designers, website designers designing your store for you. You can easily do it for yourself and save you some money. And you can then use that money you've saved in building your store to put it in your marketing, because that's where you need to be focusing mostly when you're starting out your store, you're starting out your e-commerce business, is marketing. So all these tips that I'm going to be sharing with you makes it much easier for you to customize, build your store, and get your store out there for people to start buying your products. So the first theme that we're going to be talking about is dawn. So with the dawn, it's such a minimalist theme, and it's very good for clothing and accessories, as they say. And you can also use it for health and beauty or home and gardening. So with all these themes, you can always customize it for whatever you are selling, and they can always look good. So it's a very quick setup, and this is really good for those people who like to do like visual storytelling with their products. So as you can say, they already say the features. This is for a chic and minimalist design and media forward page products that they provide to make it really good looking like that, as you can see when you maximize it. And they provide you with advanced customization options. So if we were to look at the demo store, they provide you the white banner, really looks nice and clean, and giving you that minimalist look and feel for your business, as you can see. Very nice image. You can even embed a video for your business. Very clean layout. So let's look at the mobile version of it. Even on the mobile, it really looks nice and clean, giving you that minimalist feel and look. It looks really clean. So if you want to try out this theme for your store, you just press where it says try this theme, and then you just follow the directions that are given. You log into your store, and then you'll be able to follow the instructions. Very simple. Get into your store and start customizing it. The next best theme, which is free, is narrative. So with the narrative, this is designed to give you that, again, that storytelling look for your business, if that's something that you're looking for. So with the narrative, if we look at the features they provide, this is really good for those who have like a small catalog kind of business, and it gives you that section where you can put your videos. It gives you the design to provide that storytelling, right? Using your pictures and using some slides to really showcase your products and services, and gives you that wide layout for your images so that you can really showcase your products and really get people to see what exactly that you're selling. So if we were to look at examples of stores that are already using that theme narrative, so this is like a coffee shop. They're using that theme. As you can see, it's really nice. It gives you that modern look. You can see the images are nice and big. And then, as you can see also here, very nice layout of the products. And if you were to click on them, let's see what the product page looks like. So the product page for this one, it starts off with the image, and then it gives you all the description at the bottom, and you have your add to cart over here. You can have your reviews over there and the description of the products there. And you can have the videos of your products, which was really quite good, because then you can really showcase how the product works, what the customer can expect from your products. So you can really showcase it using videos, or even using review videos for that as well. And they have a little gallery of photos as well there. So really clean layout as well for the product page when it comes to that narrative theme. Even if we were to look to a different store So this one is also a different look at it. As you can see, this is when you really want to use your images to showcase, to tell the story about your product, right? So you have all this part where you can talk about what your product is all about. And then here you can also have a banner about your products. And then here it shows the featured products. This is where you get to see what's the products that you're selling, right? And the description and how much it is. If we were to click on the product and go to the product page, you can see again, it showcases the image to start off with, and then below that it shows the description of the product. And then you can have all this drop down. Then you have drop down the sections, and you have more on the description, and then the gallery of all the products at the bottom. So if you really want to showcase your products, this will be really, really good thing for you to do that, using your images to showcase your products. And then at the bottom, they have a section of also other products that they sell as well from that product page. So really nice one, really customizable, really clean look, and it really caters to that storytelling using your images. So if that's something that you're interested in trying out, you can easily just go here, click on try this theme, and add it to your store, follow the directions, and try it out and customize it for your own business. So the next best free Shopify theme is Scense. So this is one of those new themes again with Shopify that is very nice looking. This is really ideal for if you're doing like a health and beauty kind of business. It also has that visual storytelling capability and very easy to set up as well. So as you can see, it really caters for that health and beauty industry and very colorful. So if we were to look at the demo store, as you can see, the desktop view is very clean, very nice. You showcase all the products that you have, the collection right there. You can easily showcase your products very easily right there. And as you can see, it changes, shows all this. You can have like a video. It shows all the different images when you have around it, right? And then the part where you can talk more about your business. And then this is the gallery where you can show more of your products. As you can see, they have a little video you can add here. And then you also have more products being shown over here as well. And at the bottom here, it's really nice to tell more about what your business does, right? Like, is it a vegan, natural, recyclable? All this is really important for those customers who are really into knowing that your company provides this stuff. So you can showcase here and show them that. And then as you go down here, this is the collection, right? So showcase the collections that they have. They have the skincare, the body care, the nail polish. And then when you scroll down, it takes you to the footer of the store. So very nice looking, clean, and really, really nice for that business of yours if it's in the health and beauty industry. So if we were to look at one of the collections, if we click a bit, you can see it really showcases the whole collections that they have, a nice looking, clean look as well, and also have that section where you can have more like a gallery of your photos as well, and have videos embedded as well. And if you were to choose the product, let's go to the product page. Very clean. You have your image here, product title, the cart, add to cart over here. You got your description, you got your photos here. And then I really like this section where you have all this drop down of sections where you can put in your ingredients, how to use your shipping, your policies. It makes it really nice. So actually having those drop down, it gives it that clean look, right? So if anyone wants to know more about that, you just have to click on it and read more about it. But this is a really nice looking feel to your product page if you're to choose this theme. So that's a very nice thing that you can consider to add to your store, and it's also a free one. Let's have a look at the mobile view of it. It also looks really nice and clean on the mobile phone as well. Give you that modern look and feel as well. So if you're interested in the Scense, if you really like the look and feel of it, you just try it. Click on here where it says try the theme, and try it out and customize it for your business. The next theme is debut. So the debut, this is one of those old Shopify theme, but still a gold theme. It easy to use, very customizable. It helps you to showcase your brand and your products very easily. It gives you that nice look. There's so much you can still do with the debut theme, even though it has been around for so long. It's still a golden theme that you can consider to use for your business. So it's very easy for you to customize. You can use slideshows in your business, promotional banners, and it's good for those small catalogs. It's very easy for using like product recommendations, even using a video, you can embed that, and customer testimonies, all that. So if we were to look at the demo store, as you can see, it gives you the nice wide banner area where you can showcase your products. And then right after that, you can talk a little bit about your products, about your business, and then you can showcase all your products very nicely on there as well. And then show the featured collections of your products that you're selling on your store. It really looks nice and clean. And then also another section where you can put a banner talking about your products as well. And then a section of testimonials to help you build that trust with your business. And then a gallery of your products. So it really helps you to do that storytelling, showcasing your products and services. It's still really another powerful theme, which is really nice that you can easily customize to the look and feel that you're looking for your own business. So even if we were to look at the mobile version of it, as you can see, it's nice and clean, showcases the products. You can do that whole storytelling of your products and services using this theme and showcasing all your collection. It really looks nice and clean, and have all the testimonials and the gallery of your images. So it's still a powerful theme that you can try out into your store. And I know it's one of those old ones, but it's still gold theme that you can actually easily customize for your business. And as you grow, you can always upgrade. The fifth best free Shopify theme is the Beautify. Even though it's not by Shopify, this is a very powerful theme. So if you've been around in the e-commerce business, even the drop shipping, this is a very, very popular theme that people are using as well. This is a very popular theme that people use, and they found so much success using this theme. It's very easy to customize, very easy to change and put it to your own branding colors and everything else. So as they say this is an all-in-one e-commerce solution for savvy brand owners, because there's more to it than just the look and feel of the store, right? They also provide a lot of apps to help you manage your business, to help you upgrade some stuff like upsells and all the stuff they provide with this theme. So if we were to look at the demo, so this is a demo store of the Beautify. You start off with the big banner over here where you can showcase your products and services. And then soon after that, you have your collections. So you can create your collections down here. You can always change all this color to your brand colors. And you can always change around some of these collections. If you have less collection than this, you can take some of them out. And then here you features all your products that you are selling. As you see right here, you can add to cart. This is one thing I really like about this theme. It sends people straight to the add to cart over here. Most of those themes that you're seeing, they'll just showcasing the name and the price, and you have to click on it to go to the product page for you to then add it to the cart. But with the Beautify, you can do it right here, which is really good when it comes to that. It's really good when it comes to helping you convert your customers really easily and fast, right? To reduce people who end up just dropping off from your site by giving them this quick and easy add to cart right there, and send them to checkout right away so that you can convert more people easily and they don't get distracted. So this is very powerful. So as you can see, this has been used by people who have been using e-commerce for a while, so they know what works in e-commerce, what's going to help you to convert easily or increase your conversion rate. So you can tell with the way they structured it with that, right? So they have also a section where you can put your videos to talk more about your products, and that shares products or reviews. And then you go down, you have your subscribe to the newsletter, and then more gallery about the products, and more products at the bottom. If we were to click on a product, let's go to the product page. So the product page is very clean. go straight to, you have your big images, you got your headlines, you got all the stuff that's going to help you to convert, but give you the information that you provide. Free shipping, the guarantees, customer service is available if they have any questions. Get the size right there. People can choose. So, and then you can add to cart, you got your trust pages right there and there. So, and then also all the other pictures you can about your products are right there. And then you have the description at the bottom, and then it also recommends other products that the people, if they're interested in, they can choose. So very nice, clean layout for the product page as well. So if you're interested in the Beautify, it's very easy. You just click on the try the Beautify for free, download it, you follow the instructions of how to edit to your Shopify store, and then you can customize it to the look and feel that you are looking for. So it's very nice, easy to use, and makes your store look really nice and help you so much with that conversion rates. Because when it comes to your e-commerce, we want to make more money. We don't want to give people reasons for them to drop off. We want to make it much easier for them to convert, and the Beautify help you with that. So those are the top 5 best free Shopify themes that you can try out and add to your store and customize to the look and feel of your own brand and your business, and have your store up and running and start making sales easily. So let me know which one of these 5 themes you like best that you might try out, and let us know in the comments below. And if you're using one of the themes, let us know how you're liking it. And if you have any question, also put them in the comments below. We're here to answer and help you out. I hope this has been useful for you. Please share with others that might find this video useful as well. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any other videos like this, where I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. So for now, stay strong, stay positive, and continue building the business that you love. And I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.